South travelers around the world, welcome aboard. I am George and this is South Travels Note. And for today's episode, I'm with the Operations Manager of South Travels, no other than Miss Jur Perez. Welcome aboard, Miss Jur.
Hi, George. Thank you so much. Hello, South travelers around the world. How are you guys doing?
And finally, this is really happening. So how are you, Miss Jur?
All good, George. How are you?
I am perfectly fine. So aside sa pagiging operations manager sa South Travels, and for those people who doesn't know you yet, sino ba si Miss Jur Perez?
First, thank you for having me.
Of course.
All right. So, I'm Jor Perez, operations manager. But aside from that, I am a mother of two teenagers. Hindi
Wow.
madali yon. And I'm a bit sporty. Because I was a varsity during my middle school. So, isa po akong varsity na swimming. And I love to surf. I love to play in the beach, in the water, in the ocean. Because I am a mermaid in my world.
Wow, a mermaid in her world.
Yeah.
So being a mom, how was it raising two teenagers nowadays?
Oh, tricky question yan. Because hindi lahat ng mothers are really dealing easy with their teenagers, especially nowadays. Gen Z, apakahirap. But ako, how to deal with it? I mean, going with the flow with them. Yeah, yun yung pinaka, I think, the best thing to do. Being able to understand them, you know. So, better go along with them and then listen.
Kumbaga, kailangan mo silang sabayan.
Yeah, sabayan at pakinggan. Yun talaga yun. Ngayon kasi hindi sila katulad dati na nasa labas lang tayo, we're good, di ba? But now, wala eh. Nasa loob na sila ng bahay. And then, with the gadget and all, so, hindi na nila alam yung nangyayari sa labas. So, enable for you to, make them learn, ikaw dapat. Ako, bilang nanay, yun talaga. Dapat ako yung mag-stand na bring them out, listen to them, bring them to the places na dapat andun sila. For example, ngayon kasi hindi na dinadala sa park at dapat talaga laging may oras pa rin sa kanila. Yes, it's good to become or being a career woman or a career man. However, we need to give time to our children talaga.
Yeah, exactly. Like, kahit gaano ka ka-busy, dapat
Yes.
pagtutuunan mo pa rin sila ng oras.
Mahirap pero balance lang. Time management.
So, you've been in the travel industry for 21 years. Hindi biro yan, di ba? Napakatagal na yan. Pero, paano nagsimula ang passion mo sa pagta-travel?
Natuklasan ko siya kasi bago ako nag-enroll nung college ako, I was foreseeing myself already like a traveler. Why?
Wow.
Yeah. Why? Because at a very young age, I really love domestic destination ng Pilipinas. Malamang, domestic.
So, isa ka ba sa mga nakakompleto na ng mga provinces sa atin?
Yeah! Luzon, Visayas,
Wow.
Mindanao. For real. Oo. Kasi doon ko na-learn na talagang sobrang love ko mag-travel kasi ang first love ko talaga is yung destination sa Pilipinas. For real yan. So, along the way, habang estudyante ako, lahat ng tours namin sa school, lahat ng tours, sinalihan ko, and kahit hindi nakasali sa tour, di ba may waiver yan? Gumagawa ako ng tour. And
Nagdi-DIY na siya nung pa lang.
Gumagawa ako ng tour in the sense na sasabihin, with friends of course, not only me, with the friends, with classmates, sasabihin ko sa family ko, ayan, alam na nila. Sasabihin ko sa family ko na we have ocular inspection ng resorts. Kasi, of course, sa Philippines kasi, yun talaga yun yung mayaman sa atin, di ba? Resorts,
Totoo.
beach resorts. So, I have taken that opportunity talaga. No? Taken for granted, in a way. Pero, nakatulong siya. Kung ano man ako ngayon at kung ano yung knowledge ko ngayon. Yun, along the way. Even sa OJT, ang OJT namin, travel agency, hotels, tsaka airlines, yan, tatlong industriya na yan. Pati nga cruise ship we had to, nag-training din kami. So, saan ako nag-penetrate? Sa travel agency. So, I am now a certified travel consultant, travel agent,
And an
at your
operations
service.
manager.
Oh, yeah. Pero syempre, bago tayo naging operations manager, I was a humble travel agent, travel consultant. at your service.
Yes, exactly. And of course, sa lahat ng mga napuntahan mong mga bansa, ano yung pinaka-paborito mo?
So, ayan. Syempre, number one yung sa Pilipinas, di ba? Kasi yung mga pinagmamalaki natin sa Palawan, sa Cebu, sa Boracay, yan, lahat yan, nakita ko na. Of course, talagang dapat mahalin natin yung sariling atin. Pero syempre, meron nag-stand out din sa akin na, as I have mentioned earlier, mermaid nga ako sa sarili kong mundo. I love Maldives talaga. Yun, it's a piece of paradise and heaven on earth.
Actually, I've heard, or sabi nga din ng mga friends na nagpunta na doon, it's really a paradise.
Yes, it is, you know. Yung sky, kissing the mountains and the ocean. Sobra.
Surreal.
Surreal.
Nakailang bansa na po kayo napuntahan? If you don't mind me asking.
Actually, hindi pa siya madami. Kasi, ang tawag dito, combining the Europe and the Asia, ganyan. Hindi pa naman tayo nakapag-Americans. Yeah. 21.
Wow, 21 countries.
Pero hindi pa natin nakakompleto Europe niya na. Kasi Schengen countries pa lang, 30 na.
Yes. So as one of the South travelers, kung meron kang isang tip na gustong i-share sa ating mga South travelers na nanonood sa atin ngayon, ano yun?
Not one, but two. First, plan ahead. Siyempre, alam mo naman na kung kailan yung mga holidays, yung mga safe na date para sa'yo, di ba? And then, two, book ahead. Because it will help you a lot in managing your travel expenses.
At saka, at the same time, makakatipid ka rin.
True. Yun nga, makakatipid ka talaga. It will help you a lot paano mo ibabudget. Kasi, prior your travel, for example, di ba, nakabook ka na. So, your accommodation, your tickets, mapa-plane man yan, mapa-train man yan, mapa-bus man yan. Kung na-book mo na yan ahead, ang poproblemahin mo na lang, prior your travel, is yung expenses mo everyday. Of course, your food, your pasyal, your maybe gigimik ka on that certain destination.
At saka yung outfit, very important.
Yeah, the outfit, of course. Yes, correct. The outfit, and of course, i-ano mo rin siya yung itinerary mo. Kailangan mo rin yun na ayusin ahead, yung itinerary mo. Where to go first day, second day, lalo na kapag DIY ka. Kasi most of the people, they say na mas mas tipid na yung DIY. But actually for me, it's yung talagang with itinerary, it's more tipid with time and the budget. Kasi you're going to pay it ahead eh. And then your time, mamamanage mo na siya. So at the same time, yung mga places to cover, mako-cover na siya. You know? So yun, plan ahead, book ahead talaga.
So, 26 years na sa industry ang South Travels.
That's right.
Paano ba nag-start ang story ng South Travels?
Okay, so once upon a time, Mr. and Mrs. Khan, before sila nag-put up ng travel agency, they were once a travel agent. Sales and travel agent. Way back in the Philippines, by the way. Bago pa sila nag-UAE. So, yeah. Nag-start yung passion nila. They have seen during the time like 99 from between 1995 perhaps to 1999 kasi nag-start yun ng 2000 eh. Yun, while nag-work din sila sa isang malaking travel agency over here in the UAE, Mrs. Khan was a travel consultant, sales and travel consultant, and then Mr. Khan, IT. So, nung nakita nila na boom talaga yung UAE, particularly Dubai, because ito talaga yung ground for tourists, diba? This is really the ang economics ng Dubai ay tourist talaga. Boosting talaga during that time. Puro hotels, 5-star hotels and stuff like that. So, doon nila nakita na, why not we are going to try na sila lang muna. So, they started in Sharjah. Kay Sir, as an IT, si Mr. Khan, so siya naman yung naka-assign sa mga marketing. For example, yung email, and yun, lahat ng technicality, siya talaga, siya lahat. Kasi si Madam lumalabas siya yung nagbibigay ng mga kliyente, di ba? So may isang staff na nasa office lang, siya yung tumatanggap ng mga inquiries. So sa email, sa calls, kasi Madam, galing sa labas, kasi nga siya talaga yung pumunta sa mga companies, so magdadala siya ng calling cards. Yung pagbalik nun, yun, si in-house agent, Yun. Siya na. Hanggang sa lumaki. Dahil sa kasipagan ni Sir, sa email marketing nga, sa mga call marketings and stuff, dumami yung mga inquiries. Grupo. Believe it or not. Grabe, dati sa Birch, Al Arab, groups ang mga dyan, yung mga pinapasok nila Sir at Madam. So hanggang sa lumaki, nag-Sharjah, di ba? Nagkaroon ngayon ng DERA. Tapos may Pakistan office tayo. Meron tayong Philippine office. And yun, bago ko makalimutan, hired ako direct from the Philippines. Ganun siya kalaki nun. Kumukuha talaga sila na may experience na even outside the UAE dahil gusto nila yung may knowledge siya talaga sa reservations. As a travel consultant, alam natin pag travel consultant ka, ticketing, hotels, packages,
all
tours, all in
Yeah.
one. So, I was given a chance na ma-hire from the Philippines. Tapos sa kanilang Philippine office, yun yung nagpapasweldo sa akin noon. Hanggang sa nag-Dubai na ako noong 2010, kinuha na nila ako kasi aside from DERA, meron na silang JLT. Yun, hanggang sa, ayan na, meron din tayo sa Canada.
Yeah.
So, lumawak ang South Travels. Kahit na sa dami na ng dumaan, COVID, current situation that we all know, that we are all experiencing right now, nakakatuwa na striving talaga ang South Travels.
Yes, and 26 years, hindi talaga biro yan. And of course, aside dyan, syempre, nakakabilib din yung kung paano na-maintain yung ganitong klase ng company, di ba?
Yeah.
Na travel company
Yes.
for 26 years.
Yes.
Ano yung pinakasikreto?
I must say na just love what you do. Yeah? Then, be a good example to your subordinates. Because for me, being able to see or to define as a good leader, you should be a good follower first. Yeah?
Exactly.
Stay motivated and be a good example to your teammates. Yun. Respect. Diba? Respect. If you have respect to everyone, everything will follow.
Yeah. That's very true. It doesn't mean na ikaw yung leader or yung manager and then you will think highly of yourself.
No.
Diba? Na parang hindi ka na magagalaw, hindi ka matitibag.
Dapat approachable ka.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Same as you. Yeah.
And yun, dapat communicate openly and actively to your teammates. It's very important. Hindi puro ikaw. Hindi porket you are the leader or you are the superior and stuff. Hindi ganun. And always put yourself on their shoes. Yeah. And stay motivated. Dapat gagawa ka ng mga programs na lalo sila motivate, mga incentive schemes, ganyan. Because not only for you, it's for everybody para lalo silang ma-inspire, lalo silang ganahan mag-work. Actually, yun ang pinaka ng business. Yun yung sikreto ng business Yung core.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yung operations, yung inside the company, them talaga yung secret. Kasi kung hindi mo sila aalagaan, walang mangyayari sa business talaga. Hindi siya magsastay ng ganong katagal, and at the same time, the atmosphere will not be as good as we have.
Yes, exactly. That's very true. Kasi na-observe ko yan, di ba, personally. And then, nakakabilib kasi most of your employees here, talagang 16 years, more than 20 years, di ba? So, hindi talaga biro na mag-keep ng mga ganong employees or mag-i-stay yung employees
that long.
Kung wala, di ba?
Yes,
Ibig sabihin, there's something in this company, there's something special in this company, di ba?
Yes.
Na kung paano sila mag-alaga ng mga empleyado nila at kung paano sila mag-manage ng mismong operations ng buong company.
Yes, because we've been through a lot na mga, alam naman natin yon, di ba? Yung mga uncertainties ng nangyayari sa mundo. However, I'm very thankful and grateful din sa South Travel na I'm still here. At the same time, yung mga colleagues ko, narami pa rin kami na magkakasama dito simula nung kasabay ko na mas matatagal pa kaysa sa akin. Take note, mas matatagal pa kaysa sa akin. Like 2 decades talaga. Yeah, kasi ako more than a decade pa lang. So, yung iba akong kasama more than 2 decades na. And another thing, dapat ina-acknowledge din natin. Hindi tayo blame game. Hindi dapat gano'n yung attitude. So, syempre, as a leader, hindi porket leader ka, di ba? Meron din tayong mga shortcomings. And we should listen to them. We should listen to our team, diba? Hindi lang puro ikaw, ako, I, myself, and I. So, hindi lang dapat ganun. So that, it's gonna be us. It's gonna be our team. Yun. And dapat, bukod sa binibigyan natin na-acknowledge natin sila, credit din. Bigyan natin sila ng credit, ganyan. Dahil, yun nga, dahil kung hindi sa ating mga subordinates, diba? Sila kasi, tayo yung core yung core ng company, diba? So, dapat binibigyan natin sila ng credit na malaki ang contribution sa company. Yeah. I hope our teammates nare-realize yun, kung gaano kalaki yung parte ng bawat isa.
For sure.
Yeah.
At saka actually, gusto ko lang ding i-commend yun, yung sinabi mo na parang instead of saying my, I, we should say us.
Yes.
It's our team. Actually, it's one of the good qualities ng isang pagiging leader. Yung ganong klaseng mindset.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Which is very good. At talaga nga namang nafe-feel din namin yan dito sa South Travels.
Oo. Yun. And I hope na mapanatili natin yung family atmosphere. Feeling ko kasi yun yung parang recipe sa menu.
Yes, isa siya sa mga nagdadala.
Yeah.
Kumbaga, dadalin tayo sa tugatog ng
Yeah.
tagumpay.
Saan man tayo
Ganun ba yun?
makarating.
Exactly.
Saan man tayo makarating. Yun yung nakikita ko talaga na nakakatulong. Yun.
And we are family.
Correct. Diba? Because, ko na lang din, kasi naramdaman ko to, bilang isang OFW, bilang isang trabahador, diba, lalo na kapag ka nasa bahay ka, tas you're not feeling well, or sobrang lungkot mo, mas gugustuhin pang pumasok sa office kasi nafe-feel mo doon, nandun yung family.
Yeah.
Siyempre, home away from home, diba? Parang, kahit na nilalagnat ako, based on my own experience, kahit na nilalagnat na ako, parang, sige, papasok na lang ako kasi nandun yung family ko. Doon ako parang, mas mabilis akong gagaling. Parang hindi mo na naiisip na may sakit ka kasi ang sarap kasi nung pakiramdam na kahit sa office, kahit na magkakatrabaho kayo, pero they care.
Yeah.
At the same time, may pagkain ko.
And of course, gusto ko lang din mabanggit na parang, dito ko lang naranasan din. I've been to like, a lot of companies na. So, parang dito ko lang naranasan yung nagpaalam ako like for sick leave. And then, I was surprised. I'm just like asking for half day. And then, ikaw, Ms. Jor, sabi mo sa akin, better to take 1 day off para makapag-rest ka. Which is very rare sa lahat ng mga leaders or managers na nakasama ko na. So, I just wanted to commend that sa pagiging ikaw at sa pagiging leader.
Salamat. Kailangan natin yun.
Yeah, exactly. I was surprised actually, di ba? So, yun lang. Parang, I'm just so thankful na kahit bago ako dito, hindi ko naramdaman na parang, parang i-left aside nyo ako, parang ganun, wala. At all. Hindi ako nanibago. Parang feeling ko, matagal na ako rito eh.
Salamat naman. Kasi yun naman yung goal. Yun talaga yung goal. Is yung maramdaman ng bawat isa na nagki-care. Hindi lang porket nandito tayo to work. Oh, I know na yun naman yung yun naman yung pinunta natin dito, di ba? Magtrabaho, sa Meldo. Pero bonus talaga, napakalaking bonus na magkaroon ka ng katrabaho or ka-team, no? Na at the same time, bihira kaya yung mas gusto pang pumasok kaysa
umabsent,
'di ba? Totoo 'yun kasi ako mismo naranasan ko 'yun. Kaya ako nagstay because of that environment, family environment talaga.
That's good. As our tagline dito sa South Travels, customer satisfaction is the success of our business.
Yes, that's right.
Paano natin na-maintain yung trust ng ating mga South Travelers?
Good service. Real good service. And then, maging good listener ka. You should listen what they really need para tagpo kayo. Yun yung mga sikreto rin para yung mga clients natin, yung mga passengers natin will keep on coming back. Diba? Lalo na ngayon, online na, lahat AI na. So, dapat ako bilang travel agent pa rin ako, travel consultant pa din ako, nagsaserve pa din ako, serve them well. Yeah, make them feel special. Make them feel valuable. Para bumalik sa'yo, and at the same time, magbibit-bit yan, i-refer ka niyan. Yun pa rin ang pinaka-the best na marketing.
Exactly.
service.
At saka yung word of mouth.
Yeah, the word of mouth na, ito si Agent Jur, try mo kasi ito yung nag-book sa akin ng ganito, ng ganyan. So, paano ka niya ikukwento sa family niya, sa friends niya, sa housemates niya, 'di ba?
Exactly.
Na you gave her or him a good service kung hindi naman yun naranasan yun from you, 'di ba? So, word of mouth is the good marketing, at the same time, the service that you have, served your
Yeah,
client. Tandaan natin
That's
yun.
very true.
Oo. Talunin natin ang AI. Huwag tayo papatalo sa AI. Tayo pa rin ang panalo.
Iba pa rin yung may personal touch.
Exactly.
Personal care, di ba? The way we treat them.
Yes.
Siyempre, ang mahirap na ngayon, kumbaga, okay, nag-book ka online.
Yes.
And then, sino makakausap mo after na magkaroon ka ng problem?
Changes,
Yes.
if you want ng additional na service, ganyan. So, saan nga ba naman? So, mas
Saan
mabilis
ka
pa rin.
diba?
Diba? Mas mabilis pa rin if you're talking to someone.
Exactly.
Real someone. And yun, katulad ng binanggit ko kanina, di ba? Be a good listener. So, dapat alam mo kung saan mo sila dadalhin. Kasi din yun, napaka-importante din nun. Kasi dapat same page kayo. Hindi yung nagmamagaling ka. Gusto niya po, halimbawa, gusto niya pumunta sa west, dinadala mo sa east.
Yeah.
Di ba? You have to listen. Then at the same time, yung knowledge mo, yun yung lalong magpapa-convince sa kanya. Kumbaga, for example, pupunta siya sa Georgia. So, as a travel agent, dapat knowledgeable ka doon. Kapag ka ikaw ay walang alam, lalo siya hindi gaganahan pupunta doon sa isang lugar, di ba? So, dapat yung convincing power mo na you have been there, and dapat, even actually, kahit na hindi ka pa nakakarating, bilang travel agent, obligasyon natin aralin yung lugar ahead of time. Because lahat ng tatawag, lahat ng kukontak sa'yo, meron niyang mga questions, mga unexpected questions. So, parang hindi tayo nag-aaral. Yeah? Advanced learning. Because this is our job. We need to sell destinations. So, enable to sell that particular destination, you should know about that destination.
You should be knowledgeable enough.
Yes, that is so.
Actually, dito naman sa South Travels, lahat naman ng mga travel guides natin are experienced and knowledgeable enough sa lahat ng mga services natin.
And that's the reason why na nagpapadala tayo ng familiarization trip. Yan.
Yes.
Kasi bago rin tayo talaga, at natutunan ko ito nung nag-aaral ako, na bago ka maging certified na travel consultant, travel agent, and dati meron tinatawag na travel coordinator, yung mga tour guide, dapat maranasan mo din maging turista muna.
Yes, that's
Be
very
a tourist,
true.
yan. Para yung experience talaga, ramdam ng customer mo, ng passenger mo na you are under his shoes. Yun. Yan yung mga dapat din nating tandaan.
Exactly. And speaking of services, diba? So, ano-ano nga ba yung mga dapat abangan ng ating mga South travelers around the world na maibibigay natin sa kanila?
Yun. South travelers, huwag niyo pong kalimutan ang South Travels. Lahat po na kailangan niyo, lahat po ng travel needs niyo, kumbaga ito ay one-stop shop. Everything you need, everything like from A to Z. We all have that. Tickets, hotels, tours, inbound or here, locally inside the UAE. And of course, outbound as international holiday packages. Kasama na din cruise ships. Yan, meron po tayo niyan. So please do not hesitate to contact us. We can also assist you with the visas from other countries such as Schengen, and then UK, US, Australia, Pacific, kasama po yan, lahat po yan. Actually po, makikita niyo po yan lahat sa aming website. Lahat ng mga visa services, even for all here na nasa UAE po, na mga naka-tourist, kami po ay nagpo-process airport to airport visa change, border to border visa change, and as well as yung mga new entry. Lahat po yan, kahit po ang sitwasyon ay nagiging sagabal, however po, hindi po sagabal sa aming pagsilbihan kayo. Everything po, new entry visas, 30, 60 days, extensions, meron po tayo lahat ng mga services na po na yan. Huwag nyo lang po kaming kalimutan. And please, lahat po ng aming mga travel agents, travel consultants, I can guarantee you, lahat po sila ay knowledgeable, and from A to Z, they can serve you so well.
Yes, that's very true. So, thank you very much for gracing us today. And sobrang nag-enjoy ako. Dito
I hope you did.
Yes.
Because I did.
Yes. And of course, yung mga South travelers natin,
Yes.
nag-enjoy din sila.
Sana kayo
for
din
sure.
po at wag po kayo mag-atubili na magtanong,
Hmm.
tumawag. Lahat po, email, call, chat support, lahat po yan meron po kami. Just one call away.
Yes, and also you can visit our website, that is www.southtravels.com.
Yes.
We are just one click away from you, di ba?
That's right. Thank you so much for having me, George.
It's our pleasure. It's my pleasure.
Thank you, South Travelers!
Once again, I am George and this is South Travels Note. Keep dreaming, keep exploring, keep traveling. Have a safe flight.